Gauteng battles with deadly food poisoning outbreak, 23 deaths reported. In a grievous turn of events, Gauteng is facing a severe food poisoning crisis, with 23 reported deaths ensuing from consumption of contaminated food, predominantly affecting children between the ages of 6 and 9. According to Premier Panyaza Lesufi, these fatalities have occurred after individuals ate food bought from local spaza shops. Lesufi recently provided an update on the actions being taken in response to this public health emergency, including the implementation of bylaws to regulate the operations of spaza shops across the province. A worrying 441 cases of food poisoning have been reported thus far, signaling a widespread issue that stretches throughout schools and communities in Gauteng. In tackling the crisis head-on, the Gauteng provincial government is devising a template for medical facilities, schools, and community centers to better track areas that require urgent health interventions. This structured reporting mechanism is anticipated to streamline the identification and management of foodborne illnesses. The government has identified an agricultural pesticide as a central cause of some of these deaths and is cracking down on its availability. The pesticide in question has been banned in the province, with law enforcement agencies instructed to assist in its eradication from all shops and informal traders. The Department of Agriculture has been tasked with overseeing licensing and the controlled use of agricultural substances. Determined to fortify the management of food vendors, the province is endorsing a uniform set of bylaws, as outlined in a draft gazette by the Minister of Cooperative Governance and Traditional Affairs, COGTA, Velenkosini Hlabisa. These bylaws provide clear guidelines for business registration and operation, facilitating easier monitoring by law enforcement officials. All businesses, particularly those dealing with children's food, are mandated to re-register to comply with the enhanced safety protocols. The government aims to support aspiring business owners who might lack the financial capacity or facilities to meet the new requirements. Premier Lesufi mentioned an upcoming series of stakeholder meetings intended to tackle these critical issues further. President Cyril Ramaphosa, too, has addressed the public during the District Development Model (DDM) presidential imbizo, reassuring concerned citizens that the government is addressing the issue at the highest levels. Moreover, the Department of Basic Education, DBE, is collaborating with the Department of Health to establish stringent safety guidelines for schools, with a particular focus on minimizing the risks associated with organophosphate pesticide exposure. This comprehensive response underlines the government's commitment to public health and food safety, as it moves swiftly to contain the outbreak and prevent any further loss of life. Thank you for choosing Satori News.